we have done in our
Ma'am,
previous.
for is for ma'am period
For
of
is
time.
used for the period of time and since is used for the point of
Point of
time.
time.
Very good, very good, very good. For is used for to denote, to mention period of time. For is used to mention period of time, and since is used to mention point of time. So if I say I have been teaching you English since April. Sorry, I gave the answer. I have been teaching you English dash 4 months. What?
Ma'am, for 4 months.
For 4 months.
Very good, very good.
For 4
If
months.
very good.
For 4 months.
If I say I have been teaching you English dash April 2020. I have
Ma'am,
been
since
teaching.
April.
Since April.
April.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. Since
Since
April
April
2000. Since April 2020.
20.
Very nice. Also, is it clear? ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया तुम लोगों का?
Yes, ma'am.
और
Yes.
प्रेजेंट टेंस का तो कॉन्सेप्ट, प्रेजेंट टेंस का कॉन्सेप्ट तो ऑलरेडी क्लियर था.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem in present tense. Now past. Let me start. Simple past or past continuous. Worksheet number 6. It is written simple past or past continuous. I am where, at which place we will use simple past and where will we use past continuous. I am giving those. I am going to mute everyone. Clear? Background noises is still
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Page number कौन सी है ना?
This is page number 10.
Which page number?
Page number 10. Page number 10, worksheet number 6. I painted my
Okay, ma'am.
room. I painted my room yesterday. I was painting my room at 5 p.m. I have muted everyone. Still someone has unmuted. You are not supposed to unmute unless and until.
Ma'am, Ashim Raj.
Yes. Name is coming. One student.
and Pius.
Now only Nana. Nana's mic is on. Okay. Still, once again I am going to mute everyone. So I give you two sentences. First sentence was I painted my room yesterday, and second sentence I was painting my room at 5 p.m. yesterday. What is the difference between both of the sentences?
Difference between time.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Action was completed in first sentence, but in second sentence, the action of painting was in progress at
Yes.
some point.
When I say I painted my room yesterday, means the action was completed. Yesterday, the action was completed. So
Work was done.
Work was done. So means say that we can say that action was done in the past. But when I say I was painting my room at 5 p.m. yesterday, what does it mean? It
Means
doesn't-
we are in any action.
Yeah, by
We
that
are doing
time,
things.
Progress. That is
by that time we were in action. It doesn't show the action was completed or wasn't completed. Isn't it? ये तो शो नहीं ना
Yes.
कर रहा है वहां पे कि एक्शन कंप्लीट हुआ या एक्शन was still going on. It is telling that I was doing that work by that point of time. It is not telling. Suppose that I paint my room for sometimes today and I live it, but my work is not complete. But due to some certain urgent work, I leave the no, now it's okay. Background noise was coming. So, uh, I did till 5 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. Suppose that I did painting work till 5:30 p.m. yesterday, and after that I got some urgent work and I leave the work of painting. So when I speak it tomorrow, what will I speak? I will speak, I was doing painting at 5 p.m. yesterday. But
Yeah.
but work is not done. Maybe I continue today, tomorrow it's okay? है ना, इस काम को हम कल भी कर सकते हैं. आज मेरा आधा छूट गया, so I will complete it tomorrow. But if I say I
मैम इसको कौन सा टेस्ट है?
past continuous. I was painting. Suppose that someone asks, "What were you doing in the evening?" or "What were you doing by 5 p.m. yesterday?" So you will be telling that I was painting my room at 5 p.m. yesterday. It doesn't show that the work has been completed. But if I say I painted my room yesterday, means my work of painting is completed. Understood?
Complete.
दोनों sentence
Work is
में
done.
हाँ, work has been done. It was completed. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So once again I am explaining. Simple past is used to express a completed past action, whereas past continuous is used to express an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. These two sentences are often used together. These two sentences are often used together to show that one action was going on when another action happened. Now we learn when we use simple past and when past continuous. But now we are going to talk about two different actions. Okay, and we will learn that how to use these things. Suppose that I was doing my homework when lights went off. I was doing my homework when lights went off. Clear? I was doing my homework when light
Yes,
went
ma'am.
off. Two actions are there. First action, I was doing my homework. I was doing. Second
is not coming.
Is it clear?
Ma'am, your voice is not.
My voice is not coming? Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am. You are.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
network
Problem.
problem.
Network
Board
problem
network
was there.
problem.
Someone just I am using network of my phone. Generally, I used to do another दूसरे फोन से नेटवर्क को लैपटॉप को कनेक्ट करते हैं, बट आज जियो की कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं थी तो मुझे मेरे मोबाइल से कनेक्ट करना पड़ा और उस मोबाइल पे फोन आ गई. दैट्स व्हाई इट हैपेंड. दैट्स व्हाई इट हैपेंड. सो वो लास्ट 3-4 मिनट्स के बाद कनेक्टिविटी मेरी चली गई थी ना. दिस हैपेंड बिकॉज जियो नेटवर्क ऑफ जियो स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग. So I had to reconnect with Airtel. So sometimes it happens. If it happens, you rejoin or you don't leave. अगर क्लास 40 मिनट्स नहीं हुआ है और नेटवर्क के कनेक्शन के कारण मेरा कनेक्टिविटी लॉस्ट हो जाता है तो वापस तुम लोग वेट करोगे. आई विल बी बैक. So don't think that class is over. So, I was explaining, I was doing my homework when lights went off. Two actions. One, first action, I was doing my homework. Second action, light went off. Two actions are there. दो action है ना. एक first action है
Yes,
light
ma'am.
went off और second action
Yes,
है
ma'am.
I was doing my homework. तो पहला one action I was doing. It is continuous. ये यहाँ पे work progress में है. His homework
Work is in
was
progress.
हाँ work is in progress. And second action went off. वो तो अचानक से, इसमें तो कोई progress की बात ही नहीं है. आएगा तो अचानक से
Work
आएगा.
has been done.
Yeah, work has been done.
Work has been done.
हाँ. So now we will learn that when we use two actions, जब हम दो एक्शन को एक सेंटेंस में यूज करते हैं, then where we will use past continuous and where will we use simple past. So many students, your mics are working. When you people speak something in your mic, it shows in my laptop. यहाँ पे लिखता है is talking. जो भी स्टूडेंट का माइक ऑन होता है और तो वहां पे ये मेरे लैपटॉप पे फ्लैश करता है स्टूडेंट के नाम के साथ इज टॉकिंग. सो
मैम म्यूट कर दीजिए मैम.
आई एम म्यूटिंग टाइम एंड अगेन. अभी बस चलो सारे लोग म्यूटेड हैं, ओनली सार्थक योर वॉइस इज अनम्यूटेड. इट्स ओके. सो इट्स ओके. नाउ is it clear? One action in progress, another action happened. Now I am going to read a few lines, but I will not tell you the correct form. Ekta dash. Verb you are supposed to use is drop. When I will suppose that
Dropped.
एक मिनट मैं देखूं क्या व्हाइट बोर्ड पे अगर लिखूं तो, बट आई डोंट थिंक यू पीपल विल बी एबल टू रीड इट.
मैम जूम कर दीजिएगा. मैम जूम कर दीजिएगा.
जूम कर दो. हाउ टू जूम इट? सिर्फ ये इसको कैसे जूम करूं? आई डोंट नो.
मैम स्क्रीन को बढ़ाइए, जूम हो जाएगा.
स्क्रीन को तो बढ़ा चुकी हूँ. इट इज माय फुल स्क्रीन.
ले दूधा ले
फुल स्क्रीन.
मैम जैसे मैम जूम के देखा जाता है वैसे ही जूम कीजिए आप स्क्रीन पर.
अच्छा, स्क्रीन को जूम करूं? नॉट एबल टू डू.
यस मैम.
यस मैम, स्क्रीन को जूम कीजिए.
ओके, आई विल लर्न. बाद में लर्न करती हूँ इसे हाउ टू जूम द व्हाइट बोर्ड. चलो, आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक. इज इट ओके? आर यू एबल टू सी द व्हाइट बोर्ड?
मैम कौन सा वर्कशीट करवा रही हैं?
It is worksheet number 6.
मैम आप लिख दीजिएगा, उसके बाद बोल भी दीजिएगा.
हाँ. देख, एकता. Is it clear? Dash. Verb used over here is drop.
मैम नहीं
Dropped.
नहीं दिख रहा है, छोड़ दो.
We are not able to see the word.
Okay. Leave it. Ekta dash drop her purse accidentally while she dash the metro. Your clue words are
was boarding.
रिपीट अगेन.
Ekta dash her purse accidentally while she dashed the metro. Clue words are drop and board. What will be the answer?
Ekta dropped
was
her
boarding.
purse accidentally while she was boarding the
While she
metro.
was boarding the metro.
Very good, very
Ma'am,
good.
you give chance to say anyone.
Yeah. Good, very good. Now I will be giving chance. One student from one section. Okay, now next. Next will be for 8D. First question 8D and one student will ensure. अगर एक स्टूडेंट बोलना स्टार्ट कर देता है तो दूसरे स्टूडेंट नहीं बोलेंगे. Okay. So second question, I dash a story to my daughter when the guest dash. Clue words are tell and arrive.
Was telling.
So, okay.
Was telling.
I was telling.
मैम ये
a
वैसे
story.
डी में से नहीं बोला गया है.
Why? Who has spoken?
दूसरा स्टूडेंट बोल दिया है.
अच्छा चलो अब नेम लेके बोलूं क्या मैं. Next question will be Sarthak.
Yes, ma'am.
For you. ठीक है. Question number 3. When the thief
Yes,
dash that the policeman dash at him, he dash away. Clue words are realize, look, run. Clue words are
When the thief realized that a policeman was
very good.
when the thief realized that the policeman was looking at him, he ran away.
Very good, very good. When the thief realized that the policeman was looking at him, he ran away. So when we use simple past, and past continuous, when we talk about two action. So first action, what took place first? Who was policeman were looking? Policeman was looking. This was the first action. पहले पुलिसमैन देख रहे थे, बाद में थीफ ने रियलाइज किया, उसके बाद वो भागा. 3 actions are there. Policeman was looking.
उसके बाद भाग गया.
हाँ, फर्स्ट एक्शन क्या था? पुलिसमैन was looking. Second action, thief realized. And third action, the thief ran away. So first action was action simple past. No, sorry. First action past continuous. Second action simple past, and third action also simple past. Okay. Now a question will be for 8I Shashank Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम 8E.
8E को बाद में दे देते हैं, अभी 8I को दे देते हैं. ओके. शशांक तिवारी 8I.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just as I dash out of the office, it started raining. Only one clue word is there. And
was went. Was went.
was
Went.
Was
Ma'am was going.
Ma'am was going.
Ma'am
was going.
yes. Was going.
Was
Was
going
going.
out of the office. It started raining.
was going over.
Yes. Was went
Was
कभी नहीं
going
होता.
over.
ये this is wrong sentence. Was went. Was के साथ went कभी नहीं
As
लगता
I
है.
went.
As I went out of the office, it started raining.
Just as I
अगर
went out of the office.
दोनों एक्शन एक साथ कैसे हुआ? आप तुम एक बार ऑफिस से कूद जाओगे क्या कि धीरे धीरे निकलोगे? एक्शन who is singing?
Ma'am,
So I was going out of the office. अगर ऑफिस, सपोज तुम अपने स्कूल से निकल ही रहे हो और उस समय बारिश शुरू हो जाए, बारिश तो अचानक से शुरू हो जाएगी, लेकिन तुम अपने क्लास से निकलोगे, कॉरिडोर में आओगे, कॉरिडोर से फील्ड में आओगे, ग्राउंड में आओगे, ग्राउंड से गेट पे आओगे, फिर बाहर जाओगे. तो एक्शन वाज गोइंग ऑन. अंडरस्टूड? सेम सिचुएशन विल बी देयर एज. हाँ
मैम लेकिन यहाँ पे जस्ट वर्ड का भी तो यूज किया गया है.
हाँ, तो I was doing just, मतलब the action started. Because we are doing.
क्वेश्चन तो ये होगा ना, जैसे ही वो बाहर निकलता है उसके बाद बारिश होती है.
Second action.
जैसे वह
Yes, ma'am.
निकल रहा था.
Two
हम
action.
सडन यहाँ पे हो गए जस्ट लगने के कारण.
You people want to.
जैसे वो निकल ही रहा था वैसे ही बारिश
निकल ही रहा था, ठीक है ना? तो निकल ही रहा था, इसका इंग्लिश क्या होगा?
मैम गोइंग
Was going.
मैम लेकिन जब
जैसे
जस्ट वर्ड का यूज हुआ तो जब निकला उस वक्त बारिश.
You want to say that जैसे वो निकला बारिश शुरू हो गई. तो ये फिर यहाँ पे you want to say that two equal sentences with simple past.
मैम अभी वो निकलने ही वाला था, उसके पहले ही बारिश शुरू हो गई.
It was raining, तब तो होगा. अगर पहले कोई भी एक्शन हुआ, here we are, यहाँ पे जो हम लोग इस पे सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग लर्न क्या कर रहे हैं? We are learning that when two action takes place at a time, we think about the first action and second action, and we keep the first action in past continuous and we keep the second action in simple past. ठीक है? अभी हम लोग इसके आगे आप भी दूसरे यूजेस भी पढ़ेंगे. A few students, Surya Pratap, either you stay away from the place where noise is there, or you mute your mic. Okay? We are doing what's going because we are learning this. यहाँ पे हम लोग ये learning कर रहे हैं ना. When two actions take place at a time, we decide which action took place. I will not allow you people. अगर तुम लोगों को मैं unmute कर ये allow ही ना करूं, unmute करने का फिर क्या होगा? I will have to.
मैम सब कुछ चैट में मैम मैसेज कर दीजिए ना मैम, जिससे पूछेंगी आप उसको अनम्यूट कर दीजिएगा, नहीं तो वो आपको चैट पे भेज.
Okay. चलो सबको.
हैंड रेज कर
Okay,
दो.
I am not. Okay. Now you people will not be able to unmute. Next question will be for 8E. Ashish, 8E. Are you there? Sarthak, I have unmuted Sarthak. I wanted to unmute Ashish. Ashish, this question is for you, Ashish 8E. My fever dash was, so I dash to a doctor. My fever dash was, so I dash to a doctor. Clue words are get and go. Clue words are get and go. Ashish, question is for you. Ashish is
Ma'am, my
not-
fever was getting worse, so I went to a doctor.
Yeah, very good. My fever was getting
Ma'am, my
worse.
fever was getting worse, so I went to a doctor.
Good. Next question. Next question will be for 8G. Achal, this question is for you. Where is Achal? Achal, I saw. Unmute yourself. Achal, are you unmuted?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So question is for you. Jyoti dashed her hand while she dashed in Jaipur. Jyoti dashed her hand while she dashed in Jaipur. Your clue words are fracture and holiday.
मम नहीं सुनाई दे रहा.
Your clue words are Jyoti dashed her hand.
मम सुनाई अच्छे से नहीं दे रहा है.
I am not. Are you people not able to listen me?
मम सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है अच्छे से.
अब आ रही है आवाज? Is it clear? Your connectivity problem may be there because from my side it is not there. So the question is for 8G. If Achal is not able to listen to me, anyone from 8G can answer. But I have not unmuted. 8G से किसे unmute करूं? Okay, I am allowing you to unmute yourself. Just a minute. Okay, I have allowed you. So 8G, anyone would like to answer? Jyoti dashed her hand while she dashed in Jaipur. Who will answer?
Jyoti fractured her hand while she was holidaying in Jaipur.
Very good. Our next question. I dashed the Eiffel Tower when I dashed in Paris. Our clue words are see and stay.
मैम किसके लिए है?
This is for 8H. Anyone?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
saw
I saw
the Eiffel Tower
Eiffel
when
Tower
I
when
was studying, when I
saw
was staying in Paris.
Very good.
staying in Paris.
Very nice. Next question is for 8D. Once again.
तुम्हारे पर डाउट हमको बहुत होता है.
What
फूड
happened?
चला रहे थे.
What happened?
खाना खा रहे थे.
So this question is for 8D. When the principal dashed into the class, everybody dashed mischief. The girls dashed songs loudly and the boys dashed boys dashed paper balls. Clue words are come, make and make. 2 make are there and 1 come. When the principal
मैम किसके लिए है? मैम
this is for 8D.
Ma'am, when the principal came into the class, everybody was making mischief. The girls were singing songs loudly and the boys were making paper balls.
Very good. Sarthak, you answered, no? Who answered?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But 2 students.
Repeat what day, ma'am.
Okay, I will. When the principal came into the class, everybody was making mischief. The girls were singing. Oh yes, one clue word I left. The girls were singing songs loudly and the boys were making paper balls. Clear? Now fill in the blanks with next is now mix. Present perfect tense.
मैम नहीं उम्र है
Do, present perfect tense do we need? Present perfect tense हम लोगों को ये करने की जरूरत है फिर से. Okay, we will do. Question is for 8E. My parents dashed to send me to the picnic. Clue word is agree. Verb is agree. Eight E.
Ma'am, have agreed.
Yeah, my parents have agreed. Very good. The teacher dashed my parents for a meeting. The teacher dashed my parents for a meeting.
किसके लिए?
It is for 8G.
Has called.
Yeah.
Teacher has called my parents for a meeting.
The teacher has called my parents for a meeting. Next. Vikram dashed a new computer. He can work much faster now. Clue word is get. Question is for N.